and a will? And the answer, big difference. A will is basically a useless document if you don't die. Because what does it say? When I die. All right? A trust, on the other hand, is valid the moment you sign it, and is classed as a contract, at least initially when you write it up. And you guys are familiar with contracts. You gotta do it all day long. Well, let's take a look at a bank account. Life insurance, 401k. These are all contracts. And all these contracts, you can just add on a beneficiary, right? Bank account, contract between you and a bank. And that contract says, if I die, you hand money to this beneficiary. So if the person actually died, all the bank is doing is carrying out the terms of the contract. Very simple. Life insurance, of course, that's the same way it works. If I die, give the money to the beneficiary. 401, same thing. Trust, same thing. Okay? Let's go back to a will. A will is just a document that says, do this if I die. Who can enforce a will? Only a judge. You don't imagine how many times I say that in my office, and they go, oh, only a judge? I said, who do you think is gonna enforce it? Who's gonna order the transfer of property? Only a judge. And that's done in probate court. If a person has no will and no other way to transfer it, it also goes to court. Just like Robert. We looked at the California law, and it said who to give it to. And that's what we did. We looked at California law, brothers and sisters, cousins, and all went that way. By California law, he had no say-so on the distribution. So wills go to court, no will go to court. But you have alternative distributions. Those things can avoid court. So you already know, bank account, stock accounts with beneficiaries. Bank account with beneficiaries, stock account beneficiaries, investment accounts, 401s, life insurance. If you have beneficiaries, it goes directly to the beneficiary. Now, some of you guys got minor children, so this creates a problem, all right? Minor children under 18 years old, if they get it, it's gotta go into a guardianship. That's a court-ordered guardianship. Yes?
Do you have to list all your assets, or like what if you don't put
We'll
all your
get there.
401ks and everything into that one trust?
We'll get there.
Okay.
When we get that, that's a very good question, you anticipated, but I'm gonna go by steps, okay? When we get there, you're gonna understand everything, you can explain to all your friends, because it's actually really simple in concept. So, what happens goes to kids in a guardianship, there's nothing wrong with it, except that it's expensive, and I'll talk more about it later. It's expensive, but the worst part about it is the kids get everything at age 18. Do you trust any 18-year-old with a bunch of money? No. Think about it. They're getting the life insurance. They're getting the 401k. Well, they can't put it until 21. Okay, they got life insurance, 401ks. They got the house. They got the apartment building. They got everything at age 18. And they got a good friend who will help them. All right?